coronavirus, something like this happens, okay? To them, this is like a rainy week for you as a window cleaner. It is about health, but I think more people are worried not so much just about their health. They're worried about their financials. They're worried about what's going to happen to the world. They're worried about, they just want to crawl in a hole and have paper towels and masks and hygiene products, and they just want to, crumble up. And that's just fear. That's all that is. It's fear. I went to Home Depot the other day. We've been to Costco, Target. There's lines out the door of people that are clearing off the shelves. It's because everybody's fucking freaking out. And I'm no messiah. I don't know what's gonna happen. But what I do know is our country, our world has been here for fucking ever. And I don't think it's going anywhere because of a flu virus that is the same thing as a fucking flu. When the flu killed 500,000 people last year in 2019 alone, 30,000 of those was from the United States of America, okay? This virus has only killed, I think it's in the numbers of 4,000 now, to date. And I don't even know how many people infected. But you're looking at 500,000 people alone last year in 2019 was killed from the flu. Unless they know something we don't know, let's not pretend like we do know. We don't know what's going on, okay? And we shouldn't freak out and put our entire lives on hold for something that's happening. You're a business owner, you're an entrepreneur. You need to be the person that is stable and is grounded for your team, for your family, for everyone around you. They are counting on you to be strong and to not worry and stress on these situations. You might even get some blowback. People might actually get frustrated. They might be like, why the fuck aren't you worried? Your wife, your friend, your relative, they're gonna be like, why are you not going to the grocery store freaking out and buying a bunch of stuff? Why are you still working? Why are you even caring that any of this even matters? It's because you're the one that stands on his 2 feet, keeps it grounded, and keeps everything under control and everything still flowing. Guys like you, girls like you, okay? Anyways, I thought I'd put a message out there because there is so much shit going on with this whole virus thing and the world, and I just want to be a part of it in any way that I can, if I can help one of you guys, because I'm gonna be honest with you, there's not one little piece of me that has gone in my insides that has made me feel like panic, worry, stress, overwhelming. And so I'm gonna leave you with two things. One, if it's the virus that you're worried about, I'm sure it will pass, okay? We need to move on from that. Two, if it's the economy that's gonna take a shit, it's taken shit several times before. And although we are too young to know what that's like, it doesn't matter. It's still a market. There's still something out there. There's still business to get. There's still people doing business. The whole world doesn't shut down just because of an economy crash. As a matter of fact, most rich people become rich in downward economies, and as the economy shifts back up, all the wealth shifts over to the person that keeps their fucking head level and complacent and ready to roll. So that's all I'm asking you to do, is keep your head straight, keep your head on, don't worry too much, don't stress, be prepared, but keep putting one foot in front of the other, man, okay? I love all you guys. Thanks for listening to this. We're gonna have more content soon. I'll check in with you.